It's hard to believe that it's been more than 40 years since Elvis left us. But fortunately, he left us with many great memories and songs to remember him by. And to pay tribute to him, I've invited my good friend Terry Buchwald to join us here in the Test Kitchen. He's devoted his entire career to keeping the music and legend of Elvis alive. Welcome, Terry.
Good to see you, Howard. Thank you. So glad to be here, especially on a day that many of us will never forget.
I've seen your shows, and when you're on stage, it's like watching Elvis throughout the years.
Thank you. That's my goal, to portray this legendary rock and roll artist through my performances.
And our goal is to keep Elvis's love for Southern food alive, like with the recipe we're making today.
Well, if it has peanut butter and bananas and bacon, Elvis would have loved it.
As a matter of fact, this all-in-one breakfast bake has all three of them.
One forkful, and you'll be all sugar.
To get the recipe for our peanut butter and banana French toast bake, along with some information on where you can see Terry perform, all you have to do is visit our website. Terry, thank you for joining us and keeping the legend of Elvis alive. Would you mind singing a little something for us?
Sure. Are you lonesome? Oh, wait. Are you hungry tonight?
Ooh, it's so good.
It's good as that bacon.
Peanut butter.